Care of personal items, hairbrushes and combs, toothbrushes, shoes, and cosmetics. It's the next day. Plans are underway for a family outing the coming weekend. Everyone is busy packing, but Jim is not really sure what to carry for the tour. He decides to ask his mother about it. This is how it goes.
Mom,
Mm-hmm.
what should I pack?
Your personal items, things that you are not supposed to share with anyone.
You mean my clothes and shoes?
Yeah, as well as handkerchiefs, combs, brushes, towels, and underwears. Do you know why you shouldn't share them?
I'm not dumb. Of course, to avoid spread of skin diseases such as ringworms.
Very correct. Plus, sharing toothbrushes and handkerchiefs would help spread cold and flu.
Oh, I remember sharing hairbrushes and combs can also spread dandruff and lice, right?
Excellent. And that is the reason you should clean your hairbrushes and combs very regularly.
With clean water and soap.
Sort of. But you should follow these steps. First, remove remains of hair and loose dirt from the brushes and combs. Soak them in warm soapy water to remove the dirt. Change the water until the items are all clean.
And then rinse in warm water to remove all the soap and that.
Yup. And rinse again in cold water with the disinfectant. Dry in a warm, airy place. And finally, store appropriately.
That's easy.
Really? Then you can tell me how to take care of your toothbrush.
That's easy again. After brushing,
Uh-huh.
rinse the toothbrush in cold water to remove food particles and paste. Place them in a container such as glass with the bristles exposed to air. That's it.
Wow. But always remember to disinfect your toothbrush from time to time by placing it in warm water with the disinfectant. And when your toothbrush wears out, ask me to replace it for you.
Oh, and that reminds me, by the way, my shoes need replacing because they are torn and look too old.
Oh my! Maybe because you did not take good care of them. All right, I will get you new ones before the trip. Which choice do you want this time?
I want leather shoes. They last long, like rubber shoes I had.
But they're very expensive and need great care. I'll buy them anyway. It was a promise. But when you cannot afford them, go for canvas or plastic shoes since they are cheap and very easy to maintain.
But they don't last long.
I know. Just remember that when you go buying, choose the shoes that are well made, well fitting, attractive in color, pocket friendly, and serves the purpose.
The purpose of walking?
Shoes are meant for different uses, my son.
Oh.
For example, you don't wear high-heeled shoes to the bathroom or for sports, do you?
No, I don't.
When I get you your new leather shoes, I expect proper care of them.
Count on me. Of course, I will wash them with soap and clean water.
You see? That is why your shoes don't last long. Here is the procedure for cleaning leather shoes. First, protect the work surface with old newspapers. Remove the shoe laces and clean them separately. Remove mud from the shoes using a blunt stick or mud scraper.
So, this is done when cleaning the outer surface, I guess.
Yes. For the inside, wipe with a damp cloth, then leave it to dry with newspapers stuffed inside to absorb the moisture. Once they are dry, apply polish or cream fairly on all the leather parts and leave for a few minutes. Brush firmly using a shoe brush or a rag when cream has been used. Then shine the shoes using a clean cloth.
So, what about the shoelaces? How do you clean them?
First, you brush off the dust, but if they are muddy, you wash them. When you're done, fasten the laces and stuff the shoes with old newspapers before storing.
Oh. Why do we stuff them?
To keep them in shape and prevent them from developing cracks. Store in a warm, airy place away from direct sunlight.
Okay. You have canvas shoes yourself.
That's right.
How do you take care of them?
Simple. I clean them by washing using the following steps. I brush off the dust, remove the mud, and clean the sole with cold water. Then, I remove the laces and wash them separately in warm soapy water. After which, I scrub the shoes both on the inside and outside with a scrubbing brush and cold soapy water.
Then you rinse with cold water.
Yes, but first, I rinse them with warm water to remove the soap. Then I follow with the cold one to freshen the fabric. I then place the shoes appropriately in a warm place to drain as much water as possible to facilitate drying. I keep turning them after a period of time to ensure that all the parts are dry. Finally, I fasten the shoe laces and store them in a cool, dry place.
So, it is not as easy as I thought.
Easy things are for lazy people like you. But maybe you can tell me what you have learned from this chart.
Okay, if that will prove that I'm not lazy, then so be it. Personal items such as combs, towels, and brushes should not be shared to prevent spread of skin diseases, cold, and flu.
Right.
Personal items need proper care.
That's right. Can you go get your clothes and underwears? I want to inspect them.
As you say, boss.